Good morning student. Today we will do the exercise of modals. So first one you can see take the correct modal in each sentence. Okay. So here some sentences given and some options are given. You will have to choose the correct one. First one you can see they had taken the expressway. They dash had arrived hour ago. So should will not come because should is used for the moral duties. So could will come. Okay, so she is smart and dash speak several languages. Ability has shown here, that's why can. For New Year's evening they dash dance till morning. Okay, so for New Year evening they will. Next, as a child though he looked bulky, he dash swim like a fish. He would. Next you can see dash I give my number in case need to call shall. Next you can see fill in the blanks using modals given in the box. Here in box some modals are given and here some statements are given and you will have to fill these blanks with the help of this box. So first one you can see it's quite late. They must have gone to sleep. I had better go now before the traffic gets too bad. Means it would be better if I had gone before stucking in jam. Next you can see shall we try calling? They might be home by now. Might means there is less possibility. They might be home by now. Means they can be at home or they can't be at home. Maybe they will outside. So there is less possibility. That's why I have used might. You don't have to rush. We have enough time on our hands. You ought to talk louder if you want to be heard. Here you can see fill in the blanks with suitable modals state the mood or expressed by each modals. Here is no option given, you will have to fill yourself. Harry, I dash be at home or perhaps at work. Might. Next, the victims dash get justice. Will. Dash I call for the taxi. Shall. We dash go by train. Can. I dash call my parents. Will. Next you can see I dash ability is showing here, that's why can. They dash leave early. Might. You dash take care before it's too late. You must. Okay. Any of you can be the next chairman. If you will work hard, then anyone can be the next chairman. You dash be on time. You should be on time. You ought to be on time. Both can come here. So next you can see fill in the blanks with the modals given in the box. Here is also given one box and with the help of this box you will have to fill these blanks. So his car is damaged. He should get it repaired. It's advice. I am unable to go out. Could you please, here is request, could you please send some milk and bread. If you are not feeling well, you don't have to go outside. Okay? Have to means there is compulsion. If you are not feeling well, there is no need to go outside. Pedestrian must stop the zebra crossing. Okay? It's compulsion. It is late and you have to submit the report till next week. She will surely take the short break after all those hours of work. She will surely take future tense. Next, shall I order some lemon soda for both of us? Mother, while I take your class, then firstly what I say to you, shall we start now? Okay, in the same way, he's asking, shall I order some lemon soda for both of us? Mother, you may not worry. we will all reach home safely. Mr. Gupta might leave for Dubai tomorrow. Less possibility. Okay, might. You need to be here. Okay, necessity is here. You need to be here. The baby is sleeping on the couch. Next, you can see you cannot eat so many fries. It's bad of your stomach. So, beta here capacity is showing. That's why cannot. Would you mind hurrying up a bit? We are already late. Here is also request. Next, you can see click the correct option. So which one is correct option? We will have to fill with the help of that. You should not have worried. I shall have, I could have, and will have. So could have will come. Found me my way here in the time. President will give Independence Day speech this evening. Okay. I was afraid that if I asked repeatedly, he might get annoyed. You are not sure about it, but there is less possibility. That's why you are saying he might get annoyed. हो सकता है कि वो नाराज हो भी जाए. Should, would, shall. So what will come? Would, because you are asking for the choice. Would you like another cup of coffee? After the tragic shock, we will hardly talk to anyone. I wish he should dash turn down the volume of music. Turn down means he will slow the music. Next you can see, shall I help you carry the boxes inside? Okay, here is also you are asking for the confirmation. Shall I ask? Yeah, shall I help? Next, he will, sorry, he might come. He might come, but I should be surprised if he actually did. Means there was less possibility of his coming, that's why I was surprised. Next you can see, I used to be a non-believer, but now I believe there is a supreme power. Means in my past I didn't believe in this type of things, but now I believe. You should pay your debts to the needy first. It's your duty, that's why you are using should.